Welcome back. In this video I will give you 3 pixel art YouTube channels that I consider to be amazing because you can always learn something from them even if you're a beginner, intermediate or advanced artist. The first one would be Pixel Architect. Because of his knowledge and background in architecture, he gives you great insight into buildings and environments, even lighting and so on, which are packed full of useful information, so please be sure to check him out. The second channel is Brandon James Greer. You can easily recognize him with his yellow thumbnails, and what I love about his approach is that he explains every single step of the process, so you have this very useful insight into what he is thinking about and what is happening on the screen. This combination of information and what is presented on the screen as a final result is something that is very useful to know, because that kind of workflow that include the inner insight and inner workings of an artist is something that I always found very useful to learn from. What I love about his videos is that at the end of them you always have this CRT time. It's basically showcasing his pixel art that he created during the video, but on a CRT screen. And because CRT screens are different than the modern ones, be it LED, OLED or whichever ones you want to take, they blend the colors differently, and pixel art has this really retro look to it and I love it. The last channel on the list is Adam C. Yunis. His videos are top notch. He is creating wonderful pixel art tutorials, even though he stopped focusing on pixel art tutorials just recently and focusing more on the game development side. Regardless, he has wonderful pixel art tutorials. Right here on the playlist you will find Pixel Art Class. Each of his videos are very long form content, like 15 to 45 minutes long, and all of them are packed full of information. His style is also not a low resolution style, so if you are looking into exploring a bit more intermediate level pixel art styles, his channel is a great source of that as well. So yeah, these 3 channels are still active to this day and have wonderful and useful information, so please be sure to follow them along. If you are interested in more pixel art channels, be sure to check one of my previous videos. That's all for now. Enjoy, relax and have fun.